guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a comparison on my Louis Vuitton card holders. So I have two coin and card holders here. This is from the Tigerama limited edition. I have it in fuchsia pink and this beautiful lovely blue lagoon color. And also I have a pocket organizer. Oh my gosh, this is my all-time favorite. The color is so beautiful. I just love this beautiful pop of color in neon yellow. Wow, this is amazing. And this is just from the outside, and on the inside, oh wow, it is amazing, amazingly beautiful. And then I also have this card holder. So this is a special edition Damier Eben stud card holder. So as you guys could see that this one is actually decorated with this beautiful tiny gold tone studs, and also with this lovely pink monogram flowers. Wow, it's, oh my gosh, this one is my all-time favorite as well. Like, I mean, they're all my favorite, that's why I purchased it. So anyway, start with the coin card holder. So I'll just take this fuchsia as an example. Wow, this beautiful color is amazing, guys. Wow. So this one is made up of a coated canvas, and as you guys can see, this one has a silver hardware because this one is for men's collection. This was released this year, I think, yeah, a few months ago for the Tigerama collection. And also this one is my favorite part for this item, is this one has a zipper. I love this. This one has a zipper, but if you wanted to secure something on this wallet, this one is perfect. So this one is made in Italy. So you guys can see right there, it has a silver foil stamping. That's because the hardware is silver. And also on the other side, this one has a flat compartment where you could put your bills in here or receipt. Very lovely, very nice. Wow. This one has a 4 card slot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. And I have several of these, and this one is actually my all-time favorite. That's because it is flat. I could easily put in any of my purses. This one does not take a lot of space in your purse. That's why I love it. And also, the price is highly affordable. This is around $360 US. That's before tax. Once again, this is a limited edition piece. This one, the Tigerama collection, only comes out once a year. So if you are planning to get something from the Tigerama collection, they only release it once a year, and it's a limited edition piece. Once it's sold out, it is gone forever. Yeah. Okay. So this one is in the lagoon blue color. This one has a silver hardware as well. Once again, you could find this in the men's collection. This one has this beautiful blue interior. Very nice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, the lining for this is actually made up of a cowhide leather. It's a combination of a cowhide and canvas. It's awesome. This is very durable. It is tested and proven by myself that this is such a durable piece. Definitely worth your money. Absolutely. So next we have the pocket organizer. So this is my very first pocket organizer, and I didn't even know that. Oh my gosh, this one is such a versatile piece. I mean, I didn't expect that with this little tiny thing it could fit a ton of cards. So this was released a few weeks ago, and I love it. I love this beautiful combination of the classic monogram canvas and this one right here, the detailed right here in the corner. This one is made up of a smooth leather, and when you open it, here's a lovely surprise. Another beautiful pop of color. Oh wow, this neon yellow is so amazing. I love it. And as you guys can see, the detailed on the inside, the classic canvas, the classic monogram on each side. And look at that. I got the one that's made in France, and this one has a 3 card slots in here. This one is also a card slot. On this corner, there's 2 card slot in here, on this side and on the other side. So overall, this one has 8 card slots, and this is a small piece. And wow, isn't that amazing? It could fit 8 card slots. And now let's flip it at the back. And this one, so you guys can see, this one is actually a pocket right here. So this is a pocket as well, so you guys can see right there. And wow, this one is absolutely amazing. I just love this pop of color, and it is totally a surprise for me that this one could actually fit 9 cards. And I haven't used this one yet. What is this? Is this a dirt or something? I just really want to make it sure. I haven't used this because I just keep looking at it because it is so pretty. This one retails for $390 US. That's before tax. I checked the website. This one is already been sold out. I don't know if there's a way you could source this one out, because this has been sold out for quite some time now. And I would highly recommend this pocket organizer. It is also highly affordable as well. Beautiful. And also you can find this in a men's collection. So yeah, a lot of things that I like are in a men's collection. It's crazy. So next we have a card holder. So this is actually a special edition piece. This was released this year as well. And this is actually some sort of like a revamp of the Damier Eben print. And I really love the detail of this item. I love the monogram flowers right there in pink. It's so gorgeous. I love the touch of the stud as well. And this one actually lined right here. This one is lined in pink. Oh my goodness, look at that. So the one that I got, this one is made in Spain. Those beautiful pink color. It is gorgeous. Wow, the lining is amazing. So this one has 1, 2, 3 card slots. So this one is more likely you could fit more than one on this right here in the middle. But with this card holder, since wow, this is around $340 US. So they are a little bit pricey. So I only put like 1 card on each slot on both sides, but sometimes I put more right here in the middle. So as you guys can see, it already started to expand a little bit, and that's fine because it is right here in the middle, and you could always reinforce this when you started putting cards on each corner. But if you put a lot more than one on this side, then this is usually what it happens. When you take out the card, it started to open like this. So there's no way to reinforce once this one is loose right here. But with this one in the middle, you could always reinforce this by putting cards right here on the slot. So I'm not really too worried about that. So yeah, this one is all of them are like my favorite. But if I was given an opportunity to choose just one, Based off its functionality, base it also with the price as well. All of them is like around 300 US dollars. Great price, highly affordable. It is a Louis Vuitton, and they are amazing. They are durable based on the materials. I would choose this one, the coin and card holder. That's because I really love the fact that this one has a zipper, number one, and also this one is made up of canvas as well. The grained interior, this one more likely you're not going to see any scratches at all. This is a carefree card holder, and also I love the pop of color. I also love the fact that I could put this in any of my purse without taking a lot of space. Once I put this one inside, I don't have problems looking for it, searching for it. It's because the color stood out. So that's the reason why I am picking this coin card holder. I would definitely gonna recommend this card holder, guys. That's because there's a lot of I consider this as one of the most versatile card holder from Louis Vuitton. The price, the hardware, its functionality, everything is in there for this card. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.